Small and mighty, the Warn VR EVO 8S is tough as nails, and it won't break the bank. This compact winch from legendary Warn is the ideal winch for your Jeep or lighter SUV. This is one of Warn's hardest working standard duty winches, and its sleek styling will be the focal point of your front bumper. It even offers a relocatable control pack for low profile or specialized installations. And don't let this small package fool you, it still packs the punch you'd expect from Warn. Winches are made for the road less traveled and where trouble begins. Built for the elements, this winch is IP68 waterproof rated and houses all the legendary components you trust. Its high-performance all-bright contactor delivers maximum reliability, pull after pull. And the powerful series-wound motor with planetary gear train delivers faster line speed under load, with an impressive lower amp draw. All this power pulls through a durable, one-piece cast aluminum tie plate for added strength and durability. You also have the choice of synthetic or steel cable. Controlling this winch couldn't be easier than with Warn's Hub wireless remote app for Apple and Android devices. The VR EVO 8 is rated for 8,000 pounds, but they also offer a 10,000 and 12,000 pound model. If you're interested in purchasing the Warn VR EVO series of winches or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.